Morning guys, January 19th, 2024. It's when I got a call for a big paint place down next to my area, and I usually serve at this burner. What they got there is, got a Beckett burner and a, I think it's a Viessmann boiler. I've worked on it before, and it's a commercial building type of thing. And I don't know if he's had it serviced within a year. It probably just needs a service. Well, he's got no heat. He says he's got a full tank of oil. He said he didn't run out of oil, so that might not be the case. It might just be bio slime in the flipping filters. Who the hell knows? Anyway, we're gonna go there and change the nozzle and check the oil flow and change the filters and see why it's not running. So we'll go there and see what the hell's going on. What is it, Miss Molly? What is it, Miss Molly? What is it, Miss Molly? Yeah. Oh, Miss Molly. You miss me. You miss me, Miss Molly. It's been 3 years. 3 years since a new nozzle. I don't wonder why. Fucking 3 years, that dum-dum. It's gonna need a service. This shuts off my power. Leaves the light stays on. No leakers. Things don't look bad on there. It's got a couple of spots, but that's right with Is it leaking or not? Don't look like it. Almost 3 years. I wonder why it's leaking. I wonder why it's not working. That's crazy. Filter don't look too bad for 3 years. Still. Not bad for 3 years, I'll tell you. Not bad at all. Nozzle's just gonna be dirty. Put a new filter, new nozzle, and she'll probably fire right up. Bleed it. Fucking come here. The fill cap was off the oil fill outside. It was on the ground. I had to put it up back on there. It's not good. too bad. We'll need it changing. Loika. Here's a loika. Loika. Nothing but quality here. Yeah, thing just needs a flipping nozzle probably. It's been 3 years. What do you expect? A little crusty bitch. Flippin' nasty. She's a nasty bitch. It's crusty. Got the flippin' thing. It's all dirty. No good. There's one crusty one. What do you expect? Flippin' clean that thing for 3 years. Got the nozzle on it. Getting crazy. She is one crusty one. With carburetor cleaner. Helps it clean it. I'm gonna put a new nozzle in there for sure. Carburetor cleaner cleans everything up. Little carb cleaner. Flipping nozzle needs to go. I was surprised the filter looked pretty clean. Yeah, see, it's a little slimy. It's probably a pretty big nozzle. It's a 110 45. It's a 110 45 is what's in there. If I get one out of the truck. Alright. You could run a 60-degree nozzle with this head. 110 60. That's all I got. That's what's going in there. Electrodes look fine, at nice space. It's going to be tight. Crusty. This is a crusty one, Mama. Should fire up now, hopefully. Let's see what we got for oil pressure and spark. Just seen that there was an issue here. Let's check it. Let's check. We should get one. I think this is 160 on this. 175 on the pressure. Wow. Alright, so the pressure should jump up to 175. And then we're going to check the spark. We'll see if we got spark. That's probably off on reset. Lockout. Hard lockout, so they tried to fuck with it. They tried. Let's reset control. Call for heat. It's only 120. Wow. Crank that up to 175. Alright, so we cranked up the pressure on that. It's got a little drip there. That's why it's dropping.
Unknown caller.
Public service 601. What the hell that is? Alright, let's put this back together. See if it fires. See if it fires. See if it fires. This is running pressure about 140, but this one says 175, so whatever. Kick it up. See if it fires now. Probably just needed a clean the nozzle. It's been 3 years. We'll see what happens now. No black smoke. Black smoke, so she's running good. Alright, new filter at tank, new nozzle, good oil pressure, and spark. 2-inch loop. It's a good size building. This thing probably calls for like a 2.5 gallon nozzle. I'm running a little 110 in there.